All right, let's go ahead and change our battery out on our remote. Real simple and easy task to do. On the side, you got emergency key blade release. We're going to push that button in, and at the same time, pull out the emergency blade. You will need a flat tip for this task, a small one. If you look right in here, the blade goes here. There's a little indentation. Let's see if we can get a little better view on that. Right there, there's that little spot. You know, put it in, twist it. That side just popped up. Work that screwdriver down just a little bit more, and just lift up. And you notice you got another spot over here now. Take that flat tip, put it in there as well. Now, this is the flat tip coming into play. You notice how you got more plastic here, a little up here. Do not pry from up here. You will break your remote. What I suggest is here, slide it in, and when you do, work around. Now you notice how it just popped up because I pushed it in there. Then take your flat tip and lift up. There you go. That's a CR2040 50. Yeah, 2450. Take your battery. You're going to set it at an angle, and the reason why is you got a metal tab and metal tab. You're going to push in, push down, pull back. There you go. You've just changed your battery out. Take the back half, snap it together, work your fingers around it, put your emergency blade in. Thanks again for watching, and let's be safe out there.